Morning, Twist.
Jay, look, it's morning. Is it good? It's a beautiful morning. Am I good? I'm not bad. I'm tired.
How do you feel about the fact that I woke you up at 6:50 on a Saturday to come to the gym with me?
A little sick to my stomach, but that's probably because I had a midnight snack and I'm still trying to digest it. Which was a bit rude.
I felt so bad I went because we talked about it and I was like, so you gonna come? And he was like, yeah, I'll come with you. And then I went in this morning and I was like, Twist? He was like,
Moan, groan, whistle and pop.
It was so sad. It was so sad, and I thought you was gonna abandon me, but you didn't. Now we're off to the gym.
I was very close, because when I said I think I'll stay home, I was dead serious, like thinking about it.
But I was like, what?
She was very sad.
What? I just get so excited having a gym buddy. Guys, I'm trying to vlog, but the light is real super shit.
The light is real.
The light is real. I was gonna actually film when we got there, but we're running really late because that's
We've got 9 minutes
how
to get
our life
there.
works. So I'm not gonna have time to when we get there. But it is currently 9:23 and we are going to see, us and everyone's here, and Annie and Tunt are going to see Solo, new Star Wars, ow ow! And I was gonna name and shame when they were on my camera, but we're going at 9:30 because I can't remember who it is. One of the pair is busy in the afternoon and we were gonna go at midnight, but name and shame, April decided that she didn't want to go at midnight, and then we couldn't go on Thursday, and then we couldn't go on Friday. We've had to wait till Saturday. And we're finally going. It's 9:30 in the morning because it was either 9:30 or 10:30 and Tim and April wanted extreme screen. So here we are at 9:30 going to see the new Star Wars movie. I don't think, honestly, I don't think I've ever seen a movie before midday in my whole life. And let alone 9:30. Whenever people are like, I'm going to movies at like 10, I'm like, who the f are you? Who goes to the movies at 10 in the morning? And here I am. Off I go. The only thing that really annoys me about going to movies early, even though I've never done it before, what snacks do you take? The great thing about movies is snacks, right? Really excited though. I know I didn't see it because I just complained. Anyway, so that's what we're doing. It's a beautiful day. Look at the day, guys. But they're doing lots of burning off in Mount Riv today, so it's going to get real smoky. But yeah, that's all at the moment. That's all I have to say. We're running really late. So just got a solo and I didn't even think about it until he started doing that. Only just.
There's a reason we chose this building.
Emergency. This is hazard reduction services from the Rural Fire Brigade.
Oh, this is gonna stink tonight.
Stanky. I ate sausage rolls at midnight like a bad boy.
Yeah, let's tell that story. At 12:30 AM last night, Twist ate 6 sausage rolls.
Admit to nothing.
What did you think about Solo?
It was good. It's a good movie. It's a good Star Wars movie too.
It was really fun, guys. You should see it if you haven't. It was fun.
Nowhere. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Hey friends, so Mum and I have just come to Ikea Stocksund
That's the one.
because Mum is very kindly buying me an armchair, and I've never been on a weekend before, and damn right of me too, because it is busy. All the families are here, and if there's one thing I hate the most, it's families. Check them.
That's not a very big armchair.
No, they're just their legs.
Oh.
That's funny.
I thought it was going to be really heavy.
So that's, and then the other one is not right here.
Oh,
That's
no
it for
way.
this aisle 28.
No way.
Ikea. And here's an Ikea lesson for you, everyone. I checked on the website and it said they had my chair in stock. And then I came out, I was like, I'll check the locations in store. And it was like, I'm sorry, we don't have that. And I was like, I don't believe you.
And we just have to keep persevering.
This is what I'm dealing with. An Ikea child. And then I double checked on my phone and it says that they did have it. So then we just went to the location and I looked and they did have it. So at Marsden Park, you lied to me. And also, the main reason we came this weekend is because Marsden Park have turned 3. So if we spend over $250, we get $50 off. So party town for us. It's my name.
Oh, like Jennyland. 20.
Last time we were here, Mum did that and ran into my ankle.
It was you, I'm sure.
Oh, it was you. There's literally no way we can do that.
Yeah. That's okay. So you need to hold the handle. That's okay. So. Hello. Hi.
That was lighter than I was expecting.
We did it. Yay.
Yay!
I'm lucky, Dina.
We did it! Chair!
Chair.
Woohoo! Time to do!
It's really hard once it's got something on it. See what's there to the right.
Just gonna kill someone.
Beautiful. Push. Yep. Mind your nails. Put on refresh.
No. Yeah.
Now we've hit the doobie.
What duty?
Yeah. Yeah. Do you need my bum?
Wait.
1, 2, 3. Yeah. Woo! We know what we're doing.
We did it! Hey!
Ain't nothing don't budge under my backside.
As long as nothing comes up behind us really fast that Mum can't see, we'll be fine. So I was just thinking, I haven't updated you on my reading for a while. I've just done book hauls and then not said how I've actually gone with them. So I've been doing really well. My goal this year, last year I was just trying to read what I could because it was the first year of kind of like putting effort into it. And my goal this year was to try and read at least one book more than I read in the same month last year. So that doesn't make sense already. If I read 3 in January last year, I'm trying to read 4 this year. And I've done really well with that so far. I've done it every month. Each month I think it's been more than one more than I did last year. Oh, itchy leg. So I'm doing really well and I'm really super proud of myself. This month, however, I kind of just hit like a book funk, you know, like I've been a bit, I hit a bit of a blockage. I don't know why. I think I've just been reading so intensely that my brain was kind of like, okay, let's take 5. And I'm a bit frustrated with myself because this month I only need to read 5 books to do better than last year, which is much more achievable because next month I need to read 12. I don't know what happened in June last year, but man, I read my little face off, didn't I? So I was like, this is good, you know, I can easily do May, get a few done, get a few big ones done. So I have some small ones to read in June. So I decided to start Anna Karenina, and it's, I mean, it's hefty. It's almost 1,000 pages. But I know that that's super achievable because I did Les Mis last month in, I just kind of did 100 pages a day. So it took me like 12 days to read it. And that was without me pushing myself. So I knew that actually was pretty easily. But I just couldn't do it, guys. I couldn't get myself to do it. So as of yesterday, when I finished this is the one book I've read in May. And I'm so annoyed at myself. Side note, I did read it. It was really enjoyable. It had nothing to do with the book. Why I couldn't get myself to read. Because I did enjoy it. Not nearly as mentally taxing as War and Peace was. A lot easier to follow. A lot less people, I think. I read War and Peace a while ago now, but I found this much easier. So it had nothing to do with this, but I did finish it. Hooray. And that's my one book for the month. I just started on Sense and Sensibility this evening, and this is a baby. It's only like 350 pages, and I'm 100 pages through, so this will not take me long, but I'm hoping to at least get 3 of my 5 done for the month, and thankfully I have some like because I've done well for my previous months, then it's kind of okay that I slacked, but also not okay in my head. I will let you know how many I get done this month and also how June goes. There's literally, I shouldn't be in that mindset, but I have a feeling that there's no way I'm going to be able to read that many books. Unless that's literally all I do in June, which I don't really want, but we'll see. See what my mood is. Maybe I'll be back on a roll then, and I'll be able to do it. Anyway, that's all. So this is going to be the end of my vlog. Thank you so much for watching. It means the world to me as always. I love you. You're wonderful. I just thought I would leave you with this. I just need to clean my face before I go to the gym. And I realized I'm out of wet wipes. But I really need to wipe my face because I look a mess. That's why I'm using this, right? And I hear you. You're all saying, Jenny, that's a wet wipe. It's fine. You're fine. It is a wet wipe, guys. But do you know what kind of wet wipe? It's a flushable wet wipe. What are those typically used for? Butts! My face, guys. My face. I feel so weird. I know they're like clean and stuff, but it's meant for butts. I'm wiping my face. See you next week.